this one. Oh, nice one. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, got him out. Oh, smallmouth. Nice one. Hello, guys. Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. Another morning here in the creek. Hopefully I can catch some trout here. Alright guys, stay tuned. It's crazy how much this water went down. I was trying to fish this yesterday and I couldn't even go through. Decided to come back here this morning. Oh, this one. Oh, nice trout. Gee. All right. All right. Nice looking trout. First one for this morning. Let's go. All right, let's get another one. I'm using the Rapala floating jerkbait this morning. The water was up to here yesterday. I was looking from the other side. I said, no way I can get through there. This one. Oh, nice one. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, got him out. Got hung up there for a moment. Nice trout. Big one. All right. Ooh. Hooks came right out. All right. What a beautiful fish. Nice. Let's go. Love this area. Many a time I caught some big trout in here. This one. What is that? Four fish. She's huge. Come down. Look at that. Nice ballfish. Ooh. Oh. Oh, another nice one. Where's that smallmouth? Oh, smallmouth, nice one. Ooh. Nice smallmouth. All right. All right. Very nice smallmouth. Look at that. Chunky. Oh, there she go.